So organizations are using MSSPs and MDRs more and more every year. There's 50% growth in that industry year over year the last few years. It's multi-billions of dollars heading into tens and hundreds of billions of dollars every year that are spent on MSSPs and MDRs. That's a tremendous amount of responsibility that those organizations and services that they provide to you. The problem is you don't know if they're good or not, and there's no way to tell. They're going to give you reports on all of the things that they're catching and how many things they're stopping, but that's what everybody does. What you don't know is what are they missing? What are they not able to protect that they should be protecting and that this other provider protects pretty well? And how do you know that, right? So how do you answer the question whether your service provider is good? We submit that you have to test against the threats, right? To do it in a comprehensive way and a scorecard standardized way that looks at MITRE ATT&CK and the techniques that are in MITRE ATT&CK to evaluate, are you getting good service and are they protecting you against the threats that you need them to protect you against, and doing that in an economic way. And that's how you tell if your MSSP or MDR sucks.